I'm going to show you how to make, we're not making anything today. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel once again today. Today I have something very exciting for all of you. I'm going to show you how to make, we're not making anything today. We're not making anything today, my bad. I'm used to saying make because I'm always making something for you guys. But today we're not making anything, we're just gonna chit chat today. I'm gonna show you 5 ways to make money from sewing without sewing. Now that is really ironic, isn't it? It kind of sounds really weird, sounds ironic, I know, because I'm saying from sewing without sewing. Yes, you can actually make money from fashion designing, or in this case sewing, without actually sewing on the sewing machine. I'm going to tell you how in a minute. My name is SILEM. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, in this community, in this space, we empower women to be more creative. I teach you how to make outfits with and without sewing. It is important to me because I'm aware that some of you don't care for sewing, but you would feel so good if you could actually create an outfit, put it on, and then rock it to an event. And when someone says your dress looks nice, you can proudly say, I made this by myself. I know the feeling, believe me, when I'm out and people are complimenting my outfit, and when they ask me who made it, I'm so proud to say I did it. Like, it makes me feel so good. It makes me feel like I can do so much more. And that is the feeling I want for each and every one of you. So consider subscribing if this is a community you want to be a part of. This is a family that we're growing here. We have 2,000 members in this family and we are growing every single day. The first way you can make money from sewing without sewing is by making no-sew outfits. Now, you guys already know that I am a professional in making outfits without sewing. Yeah, I have 16 videos on my channel where I show you how to make different outfits without sewing. You don't need to sew, all you need to do is cut. Now, I want to tell you guys that I have made money from these no-sew outfits from YouTube and by actually selling these no-sew outfits, okay? So I didn't have to sew, all I did was cut the outfits and I actually sell them. Like, I have some no-sew outfits that people keep asking me to make and they just love it. I have tutorials on my channel. I actually directed them to my channel to watch these tutorials and make it for themselves, but they just want me to make it. I really don't know why, but I am very grateful because money. So you can do that as well. You can make no-sew outfits and you can actually sell it to your friends, to your co-workers. All you have to do is simply make it beautiful and neat and you're good to go. You didn't have to go through the stress of sewing. All you had to do was make no-sew outfits like I'm teaching you here and sell them. So you see guys, I'm teaching you how to make money. Oh. The second way you can make money from sewing without sewing is by selling sewing machines. Now, you're not actually sewing with the sewing machines, you're simply selling them. Now, I have a friend that sells sewing machines. He imports them. He has dealers and people that actually send them to him. I don't know how he does it, but he always has beautiful sewing machines ready for sale. Industrial sewing machines, manual sewing machines, name it, every brand, Singer, Butterfly, Email, every brand you can think about, he has sewing machines. He actually makes good money from this. This is my friend. I actually got my sewing machine from him. He's really good. He gets quality, and the sewing machine I got from him, I've been using it for over 7 years now. Yeah, over 7 years I've been using that same sewing machine, no issues. I only had to change the engine once because it burns. I really don't know why the engine burns, but it burns. But that was like after 5 years of using it, I had to change the engine, and that is good if you ask me. Everything else is in perfect condition. I use it almost every day and yet it's still in beautiful condition. So that is one way you can make money from sewing without sewing. Go and sell sewing machines. Find out from people how to get them, how you can get them at wholesale price and how you can sell them at retail price. Just think of something, think outside the box. That is one way of making money from sewing without sewing. Number 3, selling sewing accessories. Now, you know, you have your lining, you have your raw silk, you have your satin, you have your zippers, there's so many things that go into making an outfit. And believe me, tailors, sewers, whatever you call us, fashion designers, we cannot do without lining. We cannot do without interfacing. Appliques, fringes, feathers, all of these things we cannot do without. There are some things that tailors cannot do without, right? And if you have those things ready for sale, you're going to be making your good money. Okay, it might look small when you start, but as you keep selling larger quantities every day, you see that the profit just keeps piling up. Okay, the fourth way you can make money from sewing without sewing is by selling fabrics. Like, I have friends that sell fabrics. Like, they don't sew, all they do is to sell fabrics. Now, they sell from expensive fabrics that are worth over 100,000 naira down to fabrics that are worth 800, 300 naira. Do you understand what I'm saying? All these brides that want to do their traditional marriage, they go for all those, expensive laces, lace blouses, lace wrapper, all of that. And those fabrics are worth over 100,000 naira, over 200,000 naira. And if you're in the fabric business and you're selling fabrics, you can get those fabrics for lesser, and then you add your profits and you sell, and you're going to be making some good money. Like, the last and the final way to make money from sewing without sewing is by making patterns and selling them. If you know how to make patterns, you know how to sew, but you don't want to actually be on the sewing machine sewing, but you want to make money from that pattern drafting and pattern making, all you have to do is make the patterns as neat as possible. You can actually make patterns for different outfits. You can make a pattern for a top, a skirt, a trouser, anything. You can make patterns for these different things. You can sell these patterns online. People anywhere in the world can actually go online, download your patterns, print it out, and use it to make their own outfits. Now, these are the 5 tips I have for you, but I'm going to give you a bonus tip because I love you guys so very much. Another way you can make money from sewing without sewing is you can sell your designs. Now, if you actually know how to sketch designs, you're a very good designer, you know how to sketch your designs, color them, use Adobe to actually draw or illustrate beautiful designs, you can actually sell these designs to fashion companies. There are different ways really to make money, but the most important thing is that you need to have more than one source of income. Now, in this family, the SILEM family, we are making money. We are all about making money, okay, legally. We're not making any illegal money on this channel, okay? It's important for you to know and be aware that you have options, different methods to make money. Now, I've told you 5 ways you can make money without sewing. You can as well add sewing to the mix. You can decide to sew on one side and then have these other options set up that can actually also give you money alongside with sewing. Or you can face these no-sew methods of making money exclusively, okay? The more of these things you actually set in motion, the more money you'd make. It's very simple. Let me give you an example. If you have no-sew outfits for sale, you have fabrics for sale, you have sewing accessories for sale, you have patterns for sale, you have designs for sale, and you have sewing accessories for sale. You have all these things set up for sale, and then you promote them on social media. You tell your friends, you tell your family, your colleagues, your clients, everybody that you have these things set up. There is no way you will not receive at least one call in a month for at least one of these things. If someone doesn't want to buy a fabric, they might actually want to buy a sewing accessory. If they don't want to buy a fabric or a sewing accessory, they can buy a sewing machine from you. If they don't want to buy any of these things, they can buy a no-sew outfit from you. So you make the options more, and you make the chances of making a sale even more, okay? So basically, the takeaway from this video is you have options. You cannot sit back and say, there's no job, no business, no nothing. You can set up these things and make some good money from it. I want all of us in the SILEM family to be making money in 2021. Like, let's make some cheddar, okay? Let's make some cheddar here. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. And also share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!